It's official! A Marvel villain will return to the big screen in not one but two movies. Hey guys, I'm Elena Scantlin and ENTV has the details. Thanos, the purple galactic villain played by actor Damien Poitier, had two brief appearances in this year's Avengers movie.
To challenge them is to court death.
That was enough for fans to confidently speculate an encore performance in the Avengers sequel. Well, now, according to a Cosmic Book news report, Marvel Comics creator Jim Starlin has confirmed that Thanos will not only appear in Avengers 2, but also in 2014's Guardians of the Galaxy. This bit of Marvel dish comes right on the heels of Scooby-Doo writer James Gunn's announcement that he will be rewriting and directing the Guardians film. He expressed his excitement in a Facebook post Tuesday, saying, "As a lifelong lover of Marvel Comics, space epics, and raccoons, this is the movie I've been waiting to make since I was 9 years old. We're committed to bringing you something majestic, beautiful, and unique." Guardians of the Galaxy hits theaters in August 2014, while the Avengers 2 is set for a 2015 release. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Elena Scantlin. See these arrows on either side of the screen? Click on them to watch the next or previous stories. And make sure to subscribe to ENTV for all your entertainment news first.
Hi, I'm Allison Brie.
And I'm Joel McHale.
And subscribe to ENTV.
It's just ENTV for all your entertainment news.
No, it's EENTV.
It's ENTV, so whatever.
It's ENENTEVE. Unless it conflicts with anything, channel or company we work for. I'm Allison Brie.